Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you eBay how to delete purchase history. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to delete purchase history, what you need to do is know that you cannot delete your purchase history on eBay. eBay keeps a record of all your purchases for security, tax and auto tracking purposes. What you can do is hide the items from your purchase history. So to do it, simply head over and open up your eBay application, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is tap on my eBay icon on the bottom of your screen. Then that will take you to the account page. Then under shopping, here what you need to do is select the option that says purchases right here. Now on tapping it, you'll find your purchases history. Now in order to remove it, what you need to do is simply tap on the three dot icon, and then you'll find an option that says hide your purchase history. Now once that's done, the selected purchase history will be hidden from your purchase history. Next, what you can do is simply close your account. Closing your eBay account will remove your access to the purchase history, but eBay still keeps record for your legal reasons as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.